Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super cool to share with you. It's the Hot Wheels 85 Honda City Turbo 2 from the Hot Wheels Ultra Hot series. And this time I've got two packs of it. Let's unbox one and see it in detail. I tried to open it carefully. Let's get it out. Come on. Yeah. So the first impressions are it's pretty lightweight. I think the body is of metal only, the chassis is of plastic, the base is of plastic only. So let's take a closer look. The paint job is good, but I can see some scratches over the windshield and some of the glass. All the glass have the scratches. It's okay. Let's see the other details. The Honda City Turbo 2 was a compact hatchback made by Honda from 1983 to 1987. It was famous for its turbocharged engine and sporty design. Look at the front grille, guys. Here they have done a good job, and those headlights are painted also, so that looks good. The real car had a 1.2 liter engine that packed quite a punch with 108 horsepower, which was pretty impressive for its size. The side profile is just as cool, showing the car compact yet sporty stance. If you see the stance of it, it's like pretty low level to the ground. And the wheels are awesome itself, like the ultra hot wheels. The base is made of plastic, guys. There is a kind of funny exhaust they have shown, so that doesn't look nice. And there are a lot of scratches also on it. If you see the interior, it's not that good. The interior is like basic, so like a toy car. After paying 299 rupees, I expect that this should have something. Rather than this paint job, there is nothing for this car. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how it rolls. Although it rolls smooth,